Aloha K-8 and welcome to the first day of May.
I'm Yohan from class 51.
And I'm Naheli from class 98. We are emceeing today's assembly. We hope you enjoy it.
Uia ke aloha kalehua o liko likala. Mehana ka aina o moana lua o leia aina I ka momona. Na ho e uholu I ka ili vilia meleve ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Nehea aloha no ke era o ka aina. Ea a koe kuiana. E ho o mea ka hahu ka Hawaii. Nehea uhana. Hello kua. Ea a koe kuiana. E o mea o Hawaii. Nehea uhana. No ke no amukua. Ea a kuiana. E ho o mao ka haho ka Hawaii. O mao e o mao. E ho o mao ka haho ka Hawaii. O mao e o mao. E ho o mao ka haho ka Hawaii.
The This or That was Androids versus iPhones.
54 people voted and the winner is iPhones.
5 voted for Androids, while 49 voted for iPhones.
This week's This or That is chocolate cake versus strawberry pie. We look forward to learning which one people prefer to eat.
The This or That votes will be tallied by the end of school on Friday, so please remember to vote by then. If you have a suggestion for the This or That vote, please plan to share it. There will be a link to do this.
Buck. Oh, hello there. This is Moana from Assets. I'm going to be reading today's Good Vibration Station. Thank you to everyone who submitted the good vibes. At the end of today's assembly, you can also submit good vibes for next week. Someone wrote, Mr. H is the best. I miss you, Ari. Someone else wrote, I miss all you teachers and awesome students. And Coach Gabe is the best person I have ever met. Noah Singer, you're the most awesome person I know. Kenneth Wright is intelligent. Evan Ng is a good drawer. Thank you, Miss Caitlin, for being a kind and caring principal. Someone else wrote, stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. I couldn't agree more. Munchie, where are you? Let's play.
Aloha, K-8. Munchie here. Thank you to those who wrote to me. It has helped me feel connected to you in so many ways. I miss and look forward to reconnecting in person, but I am so happy that you are safe with your families. I want to share some questions I received from your email and answer them. Here are some of the questions I received. Am I on campus? Yes. Asset School is also my home, so I am also honoring the stay-at-home orders. I typically lay on a bench, but when it gets hot, I find a cool area, like under the building. Miss Sandy comes daily to feed me and give me belly rubs. The maintenance staff is also here, sanitizing and cleaning the school to prepare for your return. Someone asked, how long have I been a school cat? I've lost track of time, but I think I've been at Assets for about 7 years or so. Someone else asked if I was a Lady Garfield. I do like lasagna and chillaxing, so we would make a great couple. Keep writing and connecting. I love you.
K-8 Photo Challenge. Highlights from the week. Don't forget to submit your photo. Challenge runs until the end of the month.
Morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome to our mindful moment. I'm Mrs. Thompson, and right now I'm sitting in my backyard. So you might hear all the sounds coming from my house, the roosters, the bamboo moving in the wind. And while we're here today, I'm going to invite you all to join us in a loving kindness meditation. So we're going to close our eyes, and I want you to either repeat these words silently in your head or say them out loud. May I be safe. May I be healthy and strong. May I be happy. May I be peaceful and at ease. Now I invite you to think about somebody. It could be a specific person in your life, or it might just be everyone in the world right now. And I want you to think about them as you think these words to yourself or repeat them. May you be safe. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy. May you be peaceful and at ease. Thanks for joining me. You can always use these words to send loving kindness to yourself or anyone who needs it at any time.
Hi Assets, this is Miss Tracy, and I get to do the birthdays this week, so let's get this party started. Happy birthday, Lucas Niles. Zach Compost. Michael Henyon. Happy birthday, Bai Fong. Happy birthday, Noah Ching. Happy birthday, Ryler H. from class 98. Happy birthday, Abigail Matias. Happy birthday, Nohea Kaikona. Happy birthday, Miss Y. Happy birthday, Kumu Meli. So happy birthday to all our special friends. I love you all, and now let's sing Happy Birthday Minion style.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for joining us at the K-8 assembly.
And thank you to Miss Mahia and Mr. Pennington for being the editors for our virtual assembly.
Have a safe and joyful weekend.
K-8, you are dismissed.